Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Exalate connector for Salesforce. This integration allows you to sync data between Salesforce and other platforms seamlessly, making collaboration across different tools much more efficient. Let's get started. First, go to Salesforce and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon from the drop-down menu that appears. Click on Setup. This takes you to the main configuration area where you can manage all your Salesforce settings and integrations. In the Setup menu, you'll see a quick Find search box on the left side. Type in App Exchange Marketplace and click on it when it appears in the results. Then click Go to App Exchange. This is Salesforce's marketplace where you can find and install various apps and connectors to extend your Salesforce functionality. Now in the App Exchange search bar at the top, type Exalate and click on it when it appears in the search results. This will take you to the Exalate app page where you can review the details and installation options. On the Exalate page, click Get It Now. You'll be prompted to select your Salesforce account from a drop-down menu, so go ahead and select the appropriate account. Then click Install in Production. This ensures you're installing Exalate in your live Salesforce environment rather than a sandbox. Next, you'll need to check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Once you've done that, click Confirm and Install. Salesforce may prompt you to log into your account again for security purposes, so enter your credentials if asked. On the Install Exalate screen, you'll see Installation Options. Select Install for all users, then click Install. This makes sure everyone in your organization can access Exalate once it's set up. You'll then see a prompt asking you to approve third-party access. Check the box to approve third-party access and click Continue. This permission allows Exalate to interact with your Salesforce data. The installation process will now begin, and this might take a few minutes, so be patient. Wait until Salesforce displays the message Installation Complete, then click Done. That's it. You've now integrated your Salesforce account with Exalate and can start syncing data across platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.